The first Shelby Mustang was a no-frills racer, but how does this '07 version stack up? In 1966, Shelby teamed up with Hertz Rental Cars to slip 1,000 66 GT350s in the hands of rental car customers as a way to get the cars out in front of the public. And it worked. People loved them, and they're still prized today. In 2006, Ford and Shelby teamed up to do another rental version of the GTH, and people liked them a lot, so Ford said, hey, we could sell these. 2007, they teamed up again to create the Shelby GT, which is the car we have here. The difference with the 2007 Shelby GT is that these cars were once again turned into Shelbys by Shelby American. Over the years, the Ford and Shelby relationship has evolved, with Shelby doing the conversions on the early cars, and then Ford bringing production more in-house. By 2006, Shelby wanted to turn the wrenches on the Shelby branded cars, so they reworked the arrangement once again. The result is the 2007 Shelby GT, a car that was born a Mustang, then shipped to Shelby American in Las Vegas for the Shelby Treatment, installed by Shelby technicians. True to form, they increased the power and performance of the Shelby GT over a regular Mustang GT. And of course, they had to make the car look distinctive, so they added a stripe, the scooped hood, and some other Shelby-themed details hidden throughout the car. The first change made by the Shelby team was the addition of the silver Le Mans-style stripes. The aluminum hood scoop was riveted to the fiberglass Mustang hood, and a custom grille was installed up front. These cars came in black or white, with color-coordinating black or white 18-inch aluminum wheels installed. Performance modifications were next, including a Ford Racing Power Pack, which added a 90mm throttle body and a cold air intake for better breathing, and the required ECM calibration to make it run properly. On the backside, the Shelby team ditched the H-pipe exhaust in favor for a less restrictive X-pipe and a pair of Ford Racing mufflers. A 355-to-1 rear gear got things moving a little bit quicker, and it's interesting to see a 5-speed stick and not a 6, but you could also get an automatic if you chose. 5-speed manuals used a short-throw Hurst shifter and a classic white ball. The intake, exhaust, and tune boosted power output to 319 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque, and that's about 20 horsepower more than the stock Mustang GT. Mustangs respond well to suspension upgrades, and the Shelby GT only got a bunch of them. Stiffer lowering springs and matched shocks were the beginning, followed by upsized sway bars and a strut tower brace to stiffen the chassis. These are all common upgrades, but the difference is that they were factory engineered and all under warranty. Magazines reported a 1/10 or 2 improvement in 0 to 60 times, with improved ride and handling from the tuned-up suspension. The Shelby GT cockpit is pretty true to the non-Shelby, with an 8 grand tack and a 140 speedo front and center. An ID plaque reminds you what you're driving, and all the expected Mustang amenities were available. By the end of the run, just 5,763 Shelby GTs were built for 2007, and ours from the Brothers Collection is showing just 323 miles on it. Could it be on the original tank of gasoline? So, would you add this one to your Shelby collection? It's a pretty deep question, I know, but you can share your answer with us on our YouTube channel, Facebook page, or our website at MuscleCarOfTheWeek.com. And we'll see you next time with another cool car from the Brothers Collection. Maybe another Shelby.